A general journeyman electrician is licensed to install, repair, maintain, and remodel any type of electrical system, including residential, commercial, industrial, and institutional. They have a comprehensive understanding of the National Electrical Code, also known as the NEC, and local electrical codes. They can diagnose and troubleshoot electrical problems and make repairs to ensure safety and compliance. A general journeyman electrician may work on high-voltage systems and complex installations. A residential journeyman electrician is specifically licensed to work on residential electrical systems such as single-family homes, apartments, and condos. They have specialized knowledge of residential electrical codes, wiring methods, and safety standards. They can install, repair, maintain, and remodel residential electrical systems. They may work independently or as part of a construction team. The primary difference between a general journeyman electrician and a residential journeyman electrician is the scope of their work. General journeyman electricians are licensed to work on all types of electrical systems, while residential journeyman electricians are limited to residential systems. This distinction in licensing is based on the different skills and knowledge required for each type of work. Residential electrical systems are generally less complex than commercial or industrial systems, as they involve fewer circuits and lower voltage levels. Considering why the skills or knowledge may differ, firstly, residential journeyman electricians must be familiar with specific residential electrical codes, such as the NEC Chapter 2.5, which addresses single-family dwellings. Secondly, residential electrical systems typically have simpler circuit designs than commercial or industrial systems, with fewer branch circuits and less complex load calculations. Thirdly, residential journeyman electricians specialize in wiring methods commonly used in homes, such as non-metallic cable, Romex, and conduit. And fourthly, residential electrical systems have specific safety standards, such as ground fault circuit interrupter protection and lighting requirements, that are unique to residential applications. In summary, while both general and residential journeyman electricians are licensed to perform electrical work, their licenses reflect their specialized skills and knowledge in different areas of electrical construction. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for safe electrical installations. It covers various aspects of electrical systems, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and best practices. It is essential for electricians to stay up to date with the latest edition of the NEC to ensure compliance and safety. Wiring methods refer to the techniques and materials used to install electrical conductors. Common wiring methods include non-metallic cable, conduit, and cable trays. Each wiring method has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on the application and environment. Electricians must be knowledgeable about different wiring methods to select the appropriate one for each project. Overcurrent protection is a critical safety feature in electrical systems. It protects against excessive current flow, which can cause overheating and fire hazards. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds a predetermined level. Electricians must properly size and install overcurrent protection devices to ensure the safety of electrical systems. Grounding is another essential safety aspect of electrical systems. It provides a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, which helps to prevent electric shock hazards. Grounding systems must be properly installed and maintained to ensure their effectiveness. Electricians must be knowledgeable about grounding principles and techniques to ensure the safety of electrical systems. A ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, is a safety device that protects against electric shock hazards. It works by monitoring the current flow in a circuit and tripping the circuit breaker when it detects a ground fault. Ground fault circuit interrupters are commonly used in areas where there is a risk of water exposure, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. Electricians must install ground fault circuit interrupters in accordance with the NEC to ensure the safety of occupants. Electrical codes are regulations that govern the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems. These codes are typically based on the NEC and are adopted by local jurisdictions. Electrical codes help to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Electricians must be knowledgeable about electrical codes and comply with them to ensure the safety of their work. Residential electrical systems typically have simpler circuit designs than commercial or industrial systems. This is because residential systems generally have fewer branch circuits and less complex load calculations. Branch circuits are circuits that supply power to individual outlets or appliances. Load calculations are used to determine the amount of current that a circuit will need to carry. Electricians must be able to design and install residential electrical systems that meet the needs of the occupants while also complying with electrical codes. Commercial electrical systems are more complex than residential systems. This is because commercial buildings typically have more branch circuits and more complex load calculations. Commercial electrical systems also often include specialized equipment such as lighting control systems and fire alarm systems. Electricians who work on commercial electrical systems must have a thorough understanding of electrical codes and be able to design and install complex electrical systems. Industrial electrical systems are the most complex type of electrical system. This is because industrial facilities typically have a large number of branch circuits and very complex load calculations. Industrial electrical systems also often include specialized equipment, such as motor control centers and programmable logic controllers. Electricians who work on industrial electrical systems must have a deep understanding of electrical codes and be able to design, install, and maintain complex electrical systems in harsh environments. High-voltage systems are electrical systems that operate at voltages above 600 volts. High-voltage systems are typically used in industrial and utility applications. Working on high-voltage systems requires specialized training and equipment. Electricians who work on high-voltage systems must be knowledgeable about high-voltage safety procedures and be able to work safely around high-voltage equipment. Electrical safety is of paramount importance in all electrical work. Electricians must be knowledgeable about electrical safety procedures and follow them at all times. Electrical safety procedures include wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses, using insulated tools, and energizing circuits before working on them. Electricians must also be aware of the potential hazards of electricity, such as electric shock and arc flash. Arc flash is a dangerous phenomenon that can occur when electricity jumps from one conductor to another. Arc flash can cause serious burns and other injuries. Electricians must take precautions to prevent arc flash, such as wearing arc-rated clothing and using arc flash protection devices. Electrical troubleshooting is the process of identifying and resolving electrical problems. Electricians use a variety of tools and techniques to troubleshoot electrical problems, such as voltmeters, ammeters, and ohmmeters. Voltmeters are used to measure voltage. Ammeters are used to measure current, and ohmmeters are used to measure resistance. Electricians must be able to use these tools to diagnose electrical problems and make repairs. Electrical maintenance is the process of keeping electrical systems in good working order. Electrical maintenance includes tasks such as inspecting electrical equipment, tightening connections, and replacing worn parts. Regular electrical maintenance can help to prevent electrical problems and extend the life of electrical equipment. Electricians must be able to perform electrical maintenance tasks safely and effectively. Electrical remodeling is the process of making changes to existing electrical systems. Electrical remodeling projects can range from adding a new outlet to completely rewiring a house. Electrical remodeling projects must be done in accordance with electrical codes and safety standards. Electricians who perform electrical remodeling must be knowledgeable about electrical codes and be able to perform electrical work safely and effectively. The skills and knowledge required for general and residential journeyman electricians are constantly evolving. Electricians must stay up to date with the latest changes in electrical codes, technology, and safety standards. Electricians can stay up to date by attending continuing education courses, reading industry publications, and participating in professional organizations. Continuing education courses provide electricians with the opportunity to learn about new electrical technologies and techniques. Industry publications provide electricians with information about the latest changes in electrical codes and safety standards. Professional organizations provide electricians with the opportunity to network with other electricians and share knowledge and best practices. By staying up to date with the latest changes in the electrical industry, electricians can ensure that they are providing their customers with the highest quality electrical services.